Here are 3 quick Instagram features you might still not know about, and trust me, the last one is really useful. First, open your Instagram DMs, then start recording a voice message. Now, look for the voice effects icon at the bottom of the screen and tap it. Here, you can get creative with different voice filters and effects before sending your voice message. You might see effects like chipmunk, princess, and other fun options. Just keep in mind that Instagram can change the available effects, and you might not see the exact same ones every time. Also, don't worry if you don't have this feature yet. Make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version, but remember that Instagram often rolls out new features gradually, so they may not be available to every account at the same time. Here's another useful one. While watching an Instagram reel, you can watch it at twice the normal speed. Just press and hold on either the left or right side of the screen, away from the buttons, and the reel will play at 2 times speed while you hold your finger there. But what makes it even better is tap and hold, then drag it down. Now you don't have to keep holding it. Tap, hold, and drag it again to return to normal speed. This is especially useful when you're watching a longer reel and want to quickly get through it without completely skipping the video. And finally, while watching reels, look for the controls that let you manage your recommendations. Depending on your account and the current Instagram version, you may see options that help you tell Instagram what you want to see more or less of. You can use these controls to give Instagram feedback about the type of content you're interested in, which can help personalize the reels you see in your feed. So, which one of these Instagram features did you already know about, and which one was completely new to you? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.